Here's a little toolbox exploration for you. It's a snap-on TUV tool wagon. Let's see, it's 124 inches wide, 70 inches tall, 29-inch deep drawers, 35-inch deep with the tires. Here's some sockets for you. 1/2 inch extensions, 3/8, all 3/8 right through here, and 1/4 inch stuff. Yeah, it's not a small toolbox by any means. Here's some wrenches for you. You got 4 millimeter to 36 millimeter ratcheting wrenches, best wrenches ever. Long box end, great. Then we got some standard over here. Lots of wrenches. That's a good drawer. Up top we got, shit I use all the time: screwdrivers, tire tools, Modus edge. Here's my little Christmas ornament. Let's see. 1/4 inch. A couple of ratchets, drill, heavy duty 3/8, 1/2 inch air pack, impact, 1/2 inch battery. Tons of stuff here. This, what we got? We got a smoke machine, we got a fluid sucker, literature, paperwork. Alright. We got the old brick scanner. And this is the best digital multimeter ever. They don't make it anymore. Good luck finding it. So this is my scanner box. Got drill, got sawzall. Timing light, solder gun, heat gun, bunch of stuff in there. Front end stuff, grease gun, ball joint, various other front end tools. Radiator pressure tester, leak detector for the AC stuff. What else? We got screwdriver drawer full of stuff. Pry bar, big old Mac Daddy pry bar, and it fits perfectly. Yeah, nice. We got various ear tools, torque wrenches, pliers, channel locks, more pliers, hemostats, rethreading, tap and die, spindle rebedder, helicoil kits, various other stuff. timing belt crap. Brake stuff. Belt stuff. Pulley stuff. Fuel injector tester. Pressure transducer. Lockout tools. Vacuum. Bunch of stuff. Hammers, hammers, hammers. Miscellaneous stuff to keep everything organized. Oil stuff. Punches, chisels. Yeah. Girls on the cover. Bunch of other garbage. So that's my toolbox. It's pretty awesome, and it's paid for and everything in it. So that's what I got.